Shoulder pain is one of the most common ailments that we're going to encounter in a clinical setting. So when you're using the Genesis Health Light for shoulder pain, there's a few things we'd want you to consider. First of all is, people very often have pain in the front part of the shoulder, or they have pain in the back part of the shoulder. So if you're experiencing pain in the front, in the anterior, if you're experiencing pain in the front part of the shoulder, it's actually very easy to treat. And there's many structures that come from the neck, travel through the pec. Is that the nerves are coming from the neck, they pass through the front of the chest and the front of the shoulder and down the arm. So when we're treating the front part of the shoulder for that pain, we'll use the Genesis Health Light directly over the area where you're feeling the pain. And if you're feeling pain radiating down the arm, you would also use the light over those parts of the body that you're feeling pain. So you can follow it down here for 5 to 10 minutes, down here for 5 to 10 minutes, and using it right over the source of the pain for 5 to 10 minutes. So whether you want to be sitting down or you want to be lying down, the patient can hold the light themselves right over the spot where they're feeling the most discomfort. So this is a perfect positioning. We can hold it here, and then we can also hold it here, and the patient can hold it themselves. The next position I'd like to show you is also lying down. Okay, so the patient may find that this position is actually more comfortable. So whether you're on the couch at your house or lying flat on the bed, you can then support the unit over the area that you have pain and then just reposition it as need be. If you're experiencing pain in the back of your shoulder, and that pain is either radiating down to the muscles of your upper back or down the back of your arm, you're going to want to apply the Genesis Health Light directly over the areas where you're feeling the pain. So now, for most people, this is going to be an impossible position to do by yourself. So you're going to have a family member treat the area for you directly on the skin, following the areas where you're feeling the pain. And as we mentioned previously, we also want to make sure that if you're feeling pain in the back of the shoulder and up here in the trapezius muscle, you would also take some time to treat the nerves in the area of the neck where the nerves come out. So again, treating over these areas is going to require somebody else to hold it for you, or take a look at the Genesis website and you'll be able to see the stand options that are available to you. So again, pain in the posterior part of the shoulder, very important to not forget the nerves as they leave the neck and radiate down through this region.